All right, we're back on the trail.
On the road again.
Yeah. So I think this is the Lakes Country Trail. I think Trail 215 or 215 miles, one of the two.
We're not sure which one.
Yeah. So we're just gonna head this way. Hopefully get rained on. We're gonna go fishing. We totally forgot pans and fillets knives, so we're not gonna do that. So enjoy the view. So this trail, you gotta be careful. You lose the trail real quick.
We're stuck in a cow pie.
Hey, big girl. Okay, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. I thought this was a lake we could fish in, but looks pretty well overgrown. That cow's like, oh, hell no. Luke's braver than me. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. What the heck? So our detour was fruitful, but
we did go the wrong way.
We did go the wrong way. We have to go through the coos. Well, we found the trail.
We have a real knack for losing it.
We do. But we now know where we're going. And as always, our trails are always straight up. Look at this lake. Oh my gosh, Mount Watson in the back. We had a little friend. Dogs everywhere today. Well, as it began to hail, we're gonna move on to the next lake and see if we can't get anything there. We spent about 15 minutes, nothing really. So here's to hopefully getting fish there. I swear, all we ever do is go up. This trail is just getting more fun. Thunder.
Rain,
Thunder.
snow, hail, thunder.
Well, beautiful alpine lake that has fish in it that doesn't want to give it to us. Goodbye. We don't really know where we're at, other than on the mountain. We know we have to go that way, but where to? So, we lost the other trail, but we found this trail. So, adventure time.
Here's the trail.
Here we go. Just headed this way, having a good day. Yep, the hail has begun. My phone's messed up, so this is what we got now with the GoPro. But it is a hail of a time. So, as I was trying to figure out what's going on with my phone, but it's just not recording anything anymore. and it's acting quite a fool. So, like I said, we switched to the GoPro, and
Glad you brought that.
yeah, because I did not bring my other camera, but to be fair, my other camera would have been screwed in the rain. So, you know, always have a tertiary plan. Look at this place. So we're kind of making our own way over to there to get over to that bridge in the background. But we're not really having any luck fishing out here today. This is the spot, guys. Down there.
If I catch something from here. Oh
my God, really? Oh. Well, fishing sucked here. We had a few takes, but the rain's kicking back in, so we're like, nah. But we're learning real quick that we can't go this way. Was not disappointed. Look at this beautiful fish. First cast. Look at the view. Well, that didn't go as planned for Luke. But I didn't leave empty-handed, which is nice.
I'm a good luck charm for Scott's fishing.
He is. He's like all the luck. And
It all gets transferred to you.
but the hail came back, so we're getting out. So, see ya. Wall Lake. It's been nice. I think the gods are mad at us. Oh, there was lightning and then the thunder. Oh my goodness.
That was big. I bet you we see another one.
Oh yeah, it's definitely truck time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Close too.
Oh!
Let's
get going.
Let's get further down the hill.
Well, this is what happens when lightning strikes a tree. We just saw this. It gets us again! This is hail, by the way, guys. This isn't snow. This is hail. Madness. Madness, I tell you. Madness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No words for this. Every trip is an adventure with Luke and I. We can never be dry. We can never be warm. We have to be cold and wet. But that's how we earn it. Well, you're probably wondering what happened. Well, it's no longer hailing, no longer thundering and lightning, and for now. But we made it to another lake, which we're not gonna fish. We're contemplating, depending on how our setup is, if we should even stay tonight. I jinxed us. The hail is back. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Look what we found. We got ourselves a mean road walk. No one's nice to give us a ride.
We haven't stuck our thumb out either.
Oh, well, in true Uinta form, we are soaked through and through.
My shoes are sponges.
We're not alone. Someone else is out for a nice walk. We made it, but not before some more Hell! Well, after getting rained out
And hailed out. And snowed out.
and thunder and lightning out and soaked out, our stuff is in the trucks.
The tent's flooded.
We're we're not saying that it's a defeat, but we also didn't stay.
It is a bit of a bummer.
So, eating food and going home. It's been fun,
Until next time,
which is going to be a while.
it's gonna be a while.
So like and subscribe.